All right, guys.
Dito
Welcome
na.
back to another Panalo Bet Game
Panalo bet game.
sponsored video. Thank you so much. Panalo Bet Game. Use our
Yeah,
link down below so you can get free on port down.
grabe ah. Sponsored tayo ng Panalo bet. The heck?
All right. R.A. Millikan performed an experiment in which he was able to find the size of the charge when on an electron. Robert Andrews Millikan was an American physicist who received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1923 for his work on measurement of the elementary. What the fuck am I saying? All right, let's start the record.
Kanina pa nakastart to.
Millikan placed a negative charge onto a drop of oil. He then determined how much electric charge must be applied to suspend the oil drop in an electronic field between two metal plates. By balancing the gravitational and electrical forces on the oil drop, he could determine the
Grabe.
charge.
Can't,
After multiple experiments, he found that the charge on an electron was
can't relate
negative
ako dyan.
1.602 times 10
Hindi ako
raised to
STEM
the power of
student,
negative
ICT
90.
student ako. Can't relate dyan.
Sex student.
Yung
Sex ed student. Yeah.
area.
All right, I'm starting my recording. Hey guys, welcome back to Panalo Bet Game sponsor game in which we promote gambling. Yes, sir.
No, we don't promote gambling.
Yes, we do. Shut up. Di ba nagsugal ka nga sa kanya?
Oo nga pala, nagsugal nga pala
Um,
ako kanya.
um,
Anyway, we don't talk about that.
yeah.
We all did. Sumugal kami parehas.
Alright. That's enough of that.
That's enough of that.
Don't
Okay.
vent here. Don't vent here. Don't vent here.
No vent here.
Reloading.
Go boy.
What?
Boy. What's up,
What?
homies? Hindi kayo nagbabayad ng renta nyo ah.
Ayan, addicted na po kayo.
Addicted na
Okay.
po kayo. Get out of here.
Oh shit, may charger. Oh,
Ni
may hunter din.
Nick. Oh no, Hunter. Oh, kawawa ka dito pag na-charger ka.
Yes, na-charger na ako dito man.
Oo nga, yung tank sa ano eh, No Mercy eh. Ay, boomer!
Yeah.
Boomer.
Nice. Ass.
Kainis yun eh, yung tank sa No Mercy. Aray, may apoy dito.
Nasusunog yung building yan.
Yeah.
Oh hell na, who farted?
Who farted, bro? Aray! Oh god.
Reloading.
Get out. Oh god.
Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground.
Gagi, may speeder.
I in progress.
Ay, in progress. Actually, naiwanan kami ng ano namin eh, ng rescue team namin.
We sacrificed
Now we
ourselves.
sacrificed
But now we're
ourselves.
gonna get out. Right?
Wala kaming choice kundi we got to get out of
May
here
pipe
by
from
ourselves.
dun. Get that shit. Get that shit. I'm buttoning up that shit.
My god, get that 30, bro.
Get that 30, bro.
The
Get down on the
30.
ground.
What's up?
Grabe na tayo naka-night vision. Except si Rochelle, naka goggles.
Naka night vision tayo. Lahat nga tayo, 4 yung night. No, actually, 6 yung night
Hell
vision.
yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Putang yan. 6 mo, tapos pula yung ano, thermal tops.
Yung sa akin ba?
Ah.
Ganun din ba yung mod
Yun
mo?
ako.
Ay, yung add-ons mo?
Hindi, iba-iba ang ano, skin na nilagay.
Nakikita mo yun sa akin. What? Galing ah.
Iba-ibang
Gagi.
skin yung nilagay ko sa inyo.
Let's go. Pile. Puke. The heck is happening?
Hell yeah. Get some, baby. Or...
Ba't kaya hindi walang nagre-respond na tank dito? Ano? Ay, gagi, ano?
Oh shit. Yan
Speaker.
may bitch. May
Speaker.
bitch.
Ay, gagi,
Na-quantum tangle sa tropa ko. Wait, what? Speaking of which, quantum mechanical.
Speaking of which?
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 Where?
Where? Which? Turn off the lights. Turuan ko kayo
Don't
ng
make a sound.
turuan ko kayo ng networking dito. Eh.
Don't shoot the witch.
Shoot the witch. Turn off your lights.
Oh, there's a bitch.
Look out.
The bitcher. What? Bukod.
No, grabe yung kawawa.
Yan yung ano ko, yung SMG ko, ano, Bison.
SMG ko UMP-45 tactical. Eh.
Ayaw na bro.
Whoa! We survived that.
Nice. Wow!
Wow!
That's crazy.
Alright guys, thank you for watching.
That's it, that's episode 1.
Just kidding.
That's literally episode 1, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so
Yes,
much.
thank you so much. Alright guys, that's it. See you guys tomorrow.
Wala pang ano yun na web. Wala pang
Nakakang-
viewers eh.
Tinamad na agad gumawa ng content eh. Don't worry guys. It's,
Tinatamad, kaya wala nakakating sa buhay.
kaya tumigil na natin sa buhay. Nakaupo lang.
I'll be venting here, what the fuck?
Okay na yan. They don't know us.
Okay, alright. Alright, reloading.
Na unless pag dito, may sasabihin mo yung pangalan mo dito. What the fuck?
Don't ever reveal your name. Parabellum.
Yes, Wangs.
Face fear enemies. Fuck.
Bagay na lang ito.
Shit.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. God damn it, ow. Eh.
Wala tank dito. Usually meron eh.
Gusto mo.
No.
Slash spawn.
Uy, slash pawn. Grabe yung. May na-charger dun oh. Si coach.
Mapag-ari ka. Oh, sakit.
Sakit. Aray! Ba't ko yung mga zombie dito hindi sila like yung nangangagat. Sinasapak ka lang nila.
Yes. I mean, I don't know.
Hirap mag-bunny hop.
I mean, it's a virus. You don't exactly need to be fit.
Sledgehammer.
Kailangan-
Sledgehammer ba yun? Ay, kala ko
Ang
sledge.
sa camera dito.
Wala pala. yun.
Apps lang.
Mabad. Weapons. Grabbing pits.
I mean, you could technically turn the thing into a... Kung lalagyan mo ng mod sa work.
Oh,
Oh
grab.
shit. Hell nah, bro. Is this against the Geneva Convention, bro?
Yeah, bawal lang yun. Aray! Uy, may witch ako naririnig.
Oh,
Oh, may witch nga. May witch nga. Sabi ko. Feeling ko nandun lang yan sa daan eh. Usually, laging gusto nun sa daan.
so the bile bomb.
Uy, katana. See that. Hunter!
Hunter, ayun the hunter.
Hunter!
Sa akin yung hunter.
Ito pala siya. Oh. Here's the bitch. Wala ka
Oh,
dyan.
what a fucking bitch. Rochelle, why you kill my kill, bro?
Why you kill my soul?
Yes.
Why you
I
kill
wanna
my
shoot
soul?
the fucking the bitch.
Why
Ah, shit, I already did.
Tega, you cook, man.
Yes, I am.
Aray! Ang ina mo to.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Aray! Ako na.
Heal me, coach. Oh, wait, you don't have one. Hey, Rochelle, heal me. Heal me. Heal me. Heal me, heal me, heal me. The fuck? Heal me, bruh.
Heal.
What a fucking... oh, wait, we can't say.
We can't say that.
Oh my wamo. Grabe na yun, Warprick talaga to. Hindi mo na ako inintay.
Talaga. Pag nakita mo yun sa World of Warship. World War C.
Wala lang shit.
World of Warship.
Don't click this button.
Hindi siya sponsored ha. Sabihin sponsored ng World of Warship. World of Tanks.
We'd like to, but we'd like to.
Ouch. Aray.
Oh shit.
May
Oh, fuck you, coach.
may nicotine user.
Shit. Oh shit.
Ouch.
Ayaw mag-kill nito po. Again, one heart na nga. So.
Oh, may tank! May tank! Oh, God.
Hell na.
Ba't
Hell na.
nandito yung ano?
Get down.
Ba't may go dito? May go.
Nasa akin yung tank.
Sige yan, babatuhan ko. Mas ka dyan.
Sorry.
Ay po, tada sa akin pa napunta yung molotov. Bobo. I'm dead.
Let me solo him.
I guess, paki-solo na lang.
Holy shit, may ano pa, charger pa. What a fucking bitch.
Ano,
Yo, help.
bumanda yung ano.
Help me. Oh.
Gagawin na to yung charger.
Yes, he is. He's very close.
Aray! Okay, nice.
What a dumbass, dude. What the fuck did you do? Luto na yung ano eh.
Luto na yung pangalan nito.
Tank. Oh, he's dead.
Yung
Nice.
tank.
That was all my damage, bro. That was all my damage.
Tank ako dun sa part na yun. Binato ko yung molotov sa
What would you do?
direction.
Gal, defend your asses. I am the defender of asses, bro.
Y'all okay?
I'll die.
Let me dance.
That's all my damage, bro.
Naluto yung ano eh, tank. Pwede nang kainin.
Yes. Yes, he is. Eat him.
Aray.
I might get dito. Get it. Ninja.
Maas. Lagi nila sinasabi.
Right.
Maas.
Ano mo nang gagawin na defend my ass?
Yay.
Heal ka na. Mag-heal na kayo.
Nakapag-heal na ako, matagal na.
Uy. Manen.
Ay,
Alright, everybody ready?
Let's go.
Alright.
Likod mo. Tirayan mo na.
May ano ka ba? May bile? May
Wala akong bile.
May pipe bomb ka.
Melon. Here they come. Here gonna come. Uy, gago charger.
Yeah, I heard that. Kala ko nasa labas mo tayo.
Sa loob. How is it possible? Ay, pipe bomb. Bala kayo din, bala kayo. You guys dead. Laking tulong ng laser sight dito. Gonna lie. Boom.
Paka.
Okay. Uy, Molly! Oh God! Sino nagbato ng Molly?
That was me. My bad.
Lang, makikita natin si Wet Takers eh.
That's on me.
Pasok mo na. Pasok mo na.
What? Hell no.
Makita natin si Wet Takers dito eh.
Scared hell, bro.
Ay, hindi. Hindi. Sayang.
No, you don't.
Nakita mo lang yung projectile.
Eject.
Ah,
Nabi ko ba? Ano ba niya pas drop ako?
naka-sniper si Idol o naka-Barrett.
Yes, sir. Actually, bakit yung ano?
Skin mo.
Hunter rifle ba dito? Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
May witch na naman.
Let's kill her. I'll take care of it, alright? Oh shit, may charger.
Charger!
Up.
Charger!
And let me take care of the bitch. The bitch, likod mo.
Ito ba yung witch dito?
Ito.
Try
Try
mo
mo
na.
na yung mga to.
Try mo na. Gago, wala na akong bala.
Yeah, me too. Fuck! Kill the bitch! Oh shit, sorry coach.
Ano si
I
Coach?
killed coach.
You know, ba't
He'll live.
Ba't namatay siya?
Ah, wait, nasa yung defib. Ito, defib ko.
Ay, may ano dito. Pakiparit.
Na-defib ko to. Wake up, coach. My bad,
Oh,
coach.
hell no.
Ang babawiling ko.
May boomer dyan sa kaliwa. Sa may tents.
I see.
God.
Alright, good. Look out.
Nakabala eh.
Ah, fuck!
Nice. Kailan wala akong
Ano yun?
bala.
Wala kasing glow eh. Hindi ko naman alam kung saan yun.
Wala rin akong glow eh. Look out! Come on, man.
Everybody get inside. Inside.
Inside. Do
Oh
not
shit, bakit
touch.
ako? Ba't do not touch?
Do not touch.
Sige, yung AK-47 ko, Grease.
May, ano igay mo?
Grease gun.
G-
Tignan dami.
G3 nga yung akin eh.
Weh, ganito ang J-turn. Putik eh.
Grabe, kinuha lahat yung tank.
4,000.
Siguro yung 700 sa akin, yung nasunog ko lang siya.
Will. Nagbatawin ako molly.
Dami kong witch yan. Damage.
Oh. Kung nanibals eh.
The heck?
Let's go find the evacuation center. I'm already sick of this place.
I'm already sick of this place. Yeah.
Pag. Card agad. Grabe naman nga.
Okay, ni-clear ko na yung mall.
Putik ngayon ano. Ang pang full military gear ako.
Ako nga naka-tactical gear. Eh. Pag nakita mo yung
Naka-tactical gear ako, tapos naka-grease gun ako, wheel bite.
real. Sino yung na-charger?
Rochelle probably, if you always.
Charger.
Oh shit, may smoker.
Smoker.
Alam. Speeders. I'm the greatest. No, great taste white.
Great Taste White. Tip bumalik yung Great Taste White mo.
Sino ang great taste white na? What the fuck does that even mean?
Sino ang Great Taste White mo?
Parang multo mo lang. Shut up.
Shut
Shut up,
up.
Bilesh.
Stop shooting me.
Arrgh! Off you.
Grabe, yung
Wala
kagabi.
yun.
Yung kagabi kanina. Di ba nag-chat ako sa'yo kagabi?
Yeah.
Yung may kumatok. Ganun.
Naku po, yawe ka na.
Gulat nga ako, biglang may kumatok sa ano. Sa sahig. Di ba ano yun? Plywood lang.
Oo. Ako sino na hunter.
Ako okay, muntik na ako.
Of course you do. Of course.
May witch na
Ay,
naman.
kagi. My bad. Hindi nga ako mabawin.
Oo, muntik ko na masagi eh.
Alright, let's go. Everybody through the doors. Let's go. Away ko. They're in
Ibe.
there. Kung di natin ito tinay kahapon eh. Kaya di natin
Gago, ba't
daily.
naka-block to? Dito tayo dadaan eh.
Dito ata, dito. Kung di natin ni-record ito kahapon.
Parang... What the fuck? Nagbago?
Makadepende sa difficulty.
Oh, okay. I see. Tayo, ano, bala. Alam ko bala eh.
Everybody grab a weapon.
Hell na.
Depende nga ata sa
Ito.
difficulty to.
Ano ba dito? Ito, may katana. Mine.
Meron na ako.
Dito eh. Through this ass. Oh shit, ang dami sa likod. Uy! Oh hell na. Go. Let's go. Let's fuck. Let's ride.
Oo nga no. Depende nga sa difficulty. Mas maganda dun sa kabila eh. Mas mabilis lang dun eh. Pagka may horde na, mas maganda mag-knife ka na lang sa baba.
Yeah, but you get caught up in shit, bro. That's why you need a gun as well.
Oy, 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 oy. Ano, tulong. Oh my god, bomba kalat. Lagi mo lang ako natitira ng...
Huh?
It's
I'm
either...
literally...
It's either
I'm
tank...
the one that is broken.
Kaya
Please save
ano.
me. I'm down, I'm down, I'm down. Hey,
Ara,
coach,
patay
save my
ako.
ass.
Oh, hell na. Down.
Hey, coach, save my ass. Oh, hell no, we're all dead, bro.
Ano sabihin... We'll have to restart.
Yeah, nice. Buti lang. Si Rochelle na, no?
Matay na ako. No!
Si Rochelle, liligtas ka na.
Wala na.
Oh shit, you did die. Very nice.
Okay,
But,
sayang yung katana, sayang yung laser. May defib ba kayo dyan?
Nope, kinahan ko na kanina kay coach.
Oh, hell na. Happy watching.
Oh hell na. Oh hell na, I'm dodging them.
Oh!
What the fuck? Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna
Oh.
die.
Pinapanood ka lang ng dalawa. Oh.
You fucking bitches. Hindi kita liligtas, coach, you bitch.
Thanks a lot.
There you go. Tama na. Oh well. We're all die. We're gonna die. We're all gonna die, eh?
What the fuck just
So that was the
happened?
greatest clutch I just did. What the fuck, Rochelle? Stop being fucking stupid.
Dapat sa ano, dapat lagyan natin ng add-ons ng mga bot na to.
Not autistic.
Kaya nga pa nagsasolo ako, may ano sila eh, naka-modified na tong mga lintik na to eh. Narealize ko rin na ang hirap nila nung bago lang ako dito. Ang hirap nila kasama.
Yan dito, may shit, may pipe bomb.
May shit, may part.
Peter ata yun, man.
Jackie.
Yari. Yun siya.
Ay po, saan galing yun?
Sa gilid, yun nga yung binabaril. What the fuck?
Hindi kasi ako naka-ano eh. Hindi ako naka-earphones eh. Ay, naka-earphones ako pero yung isa lang.
Of course. You broke. You destroyed the other one.
Hindi, baka kasi may dumating. So, kailangan ko marinig yung isang
Oo.
side.
Grabe na yun. Nakalock into to. Bruh.
I got these pills.
Bewitch?
Yes.
Bewitch nga. Feeling ko nasa loob yan, tinan mo.
Sabi.
Akala ko nasa loob. Ito nga, nasa loob nga. Excuse me.
Oh, nice. He did.
Wait, ako?
Yes, he did.
Hindi ako eh.
Very nice. Ikaw ang nag-alert.
O, ba't hindi man lang ako na-down?
Naano ka ng smoker.
Oh yeah, smoker.
Nadali ka muna ng smoker. And now a boomer. Damn. Literally got everyone on your ass.
Tatlo yung naano sa akin. Buti pa nga zombie.
Pills here.
Pills here. Pill Swift. Oh, yan na nga ba eh. Charger eh.
Ready?
Dali
3, 2,
lang,
1,
dali
let's go.
lang. Lang.
No. Gili ka na.
Tirahin na natin to. Bato mo sa taas yung yung puke. Yung vial.
It's not a puke, it's a fucking molotov.
Molotov bag. Galing ako.
Na-charger din ako.
Aray! Charger ka rin.
Yeah. Sorry, coach. What a dumbass.
Tingin ko pa ba ito si Rochelle?
Stupid, bro. Rochelle is stupid, bro.
Rochelle being stupid. Tangina, ikaw na nga dyan, coach.
Yeah, go. Do your shit.
Get your ass up. Ako pala yung may bile, mga babato ko yung bile.
Bruh.
Kasi ang
But
layo.
just stop using the fucking melee, bro. Thanks.
Tingin-tingin, baka may smoker. Babato ko na yung bile.
Oh, throw it, throw it. Fuck up my way.
May
The
ano na
fuck is it?
naman, may spitter na naman.
Ito pala, bro, I'm so stupid. Oh. Akanis,
Dito na ako sa
Wow.
taas.
Alright, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off.
Kailangan ko tulong nyo, gagi.
Ito nga. Andito lang ako. Isang tawag.
Yung backup mamaya, baka mamaya. Oh, di ba sabi ko na, kaya kailangan ko kayo eh. Oh God!
Yung kinailangan, kinailangan.
Yan, pag kailangan ko kayo, nasan kayo? Di ba? Pag kailangan nyo ako, nandyan ako. Pag kailangan ko kayo, wala.
Tama na ang vent.
Ba naman tong mga kampi na to?
Bot.
Parang bot.
I-up ko na yung, i-up ko na, i-up ko na.
Sayang,
Oh, hell na.
sayang laser ko, pati yung kataan ako. No, I'm
Oh,
down.
hell na. Tanga ng mga bot eh. On God, bro. Ang tanga ng mga bot. Ako lagi sinusundan. Oh, well, I died.
Gagi, patay tayo lahat. Part 2.
Bro, the bot is so stupid. Ako na mauna. Protect naman ako. Ako lagi sinusundan ng bot eh. Ako lagi sinusundan. Ako na mauna.
Yun na, mauna ka na.
Alright, so it's a bit quiet.
Shut up, Rochelle, you fucking bitch.
Shut up.
The fuck
Fuck
up,
up.
man. Stop nagging.
Ay, wow.
Don't mo like sa nagging.
Yes. 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 Yay.
Mauna ka na, sa likod mo lang si Rochelle. Tangina ng mga bot, ikaw sinusundan.
Yeah. Natural born leader.
Yan, ko favorite ng mga bot.
Sabi na yan, iba-ibang.
Yee! Oh my god, tank pa nga.
Meron.
Meron. Ayun oh, binabato tayo. Ayun oh.
Oh, fucking. Perform that miracle.
Bato, may mga punyeta pala sa likod. Bayan.
Nag-tiny toss. Holy shit. Is that a Dota reference? Away ko.
Grabe si ano. Tigreal ba to?
Juggernaut. So fuck.
Jagger na.
Holy shit. Is coming for me.
Dead.
Oh, dumbass, bro.
Pills here.
Pills here.
Nag-hilang.
Galing!
Oh, na.
Galing.
Kaya sabi sa'yo ako na mahuuna eh.
Stop nagging.
Wow.
No one likes...
Alright, fuck that shit.
Uy, gagi, huwag ka mauna masyado. Huwag kang lumalim.
What?
Huwag ka lumalim.
What the fuck does that
Is
even
that,
mean?
is that ML reference?
Lumalim. It's so Tuesday.
Naano ko lang yun sa ML pag naglalaro.
Oh, hell nah, boy. What the fuck are you learning in M?
Huwag daw mag-push masyado. Huwag daw mag-push.
When you lumalim? What the fuck I'm saying it?
Huwag ka lumalim. Huwag ka lumalim.
So Tuesday.
Aray! Galing!
Okay.
Oo.
Sabi sa'yo, kamahuun eh.
Nakakatrauma na to ah.
Ito may ammo dito.
May amo.
Get your asses and your lasses.
Pag nagsosolo
Okay.
ako, kaya ko pa to.
Everybody ready? Let's go. Kasi kasama ka lagi ng mga bot.
Hindi.
Sama ka lagi ng mga bot, yagi ka ba?
Naka-expert pa nga yun eh. Ay, yung advanced realism.
Sige, kasama ka ng mga bot. Eh dito, divided yung attention ng bot.
Kaya divided eh. Pero wala rin naman kwenta yung bot acting yan.
Grabe na yun.
Ayun na, lumalalim na naman si Idol. Dito, huy!
Dito pala, my bad. I see a turn and I turn. Alright, protect my ass, let's go. Be charger. Oh!
Naka-shotgun. Rambo.
Sniper na naka-shotgun wheel.
Aray! Nakabot dun. Puta! Boys.
Alis dyan.
Sige, ako bahala ako magna-knife.
Nice. Ay, may defib ako in case mamatay kang... Yeah.
Ulit ka ha. Kanina ka pa eh, no? Galing.
I can't... Oh, ka mauna. Nandito kami. Nasta kami dito.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Ganyan ka na maglakad.
Low health na ako.
Pills ba to? Yes, pills.
Oh, hell no. I'm taking drugs, bro. Fuck.
Gamitin mo kaya adrenaline mo.
I mean, I need it for... when I need it, you know? I don't really need it right now. Ah!
Dali lang,
Hey,
dali lang.
Hey, not just wait, hey. Fuck, hey. Baka gusto mo, no? Oh, thank you so much, Parabellum.
Galing.
Thank you so much, Parabellum,
Yan, naiip
for
kayo
saving
eh.
my ass.
Okay, ikakat ko na lang yan.
Hell na. Na tayo nabalita isa.
Kakat ko na lang to hanggang mamaya. Dami na itong ikakat.
Uy, pinat sa buhay. Ito lang, mag-heal muna ako.
Uy, mag-heal muna ako.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly what I mean.
Yeah. Ito pala may shotgun dito. Palit nga ako shotgun mamaya.
Oh my god.
Mas maganda shotgun kaysa ano eh. Sa rifle.
Oh my god. Dabi bye.
Tapi bite.
Bago bye. China bye.
Yan ang vibe.
Makapos ito pa.
Gagi bawal yung paki-blur yan.
Bago bye.
Zerp. Zerp.
Zer.
Zerp. Sa shotgun na ako.
Whoa.
Wow. Yung favorite
Whoa.
kong shotgun eh. The Benelli M4.
An Italian.
It's a classic.
Something big.
Bold.
May I suggest
Yes,
a Benelli M4? An Italian.
Italian classic. Get in,
Hell,
get
like
in,
your
get in.
Here we are
Again.
I guess it must be fate.
Ito na naman tayo. Ilang tries
wait.
kaya dito?
69.
69.
Okay, go. Wasn't good.
Gas it up.
Any other ideas?
Ass it up.
Ass, yay.
As soon as these doors open,
At the Benelli M4. Italian classic.
Teka, nakahila pala yung ginagawa.
Fine ass
Go,
can.
go, go. Taas agad.
Taas agad ba?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nakamayaw pa agad. Look out.
Look
Talk
out.
out.
Look out.
Talk
Diyan ka na,
out.
dito na ako sa kabila.
He's pulling his cock out.
What? Babato ko sa baba.
He's pulling his cock out.
Come.
Bruh.
I had a cam.
Sniper na nga po si Tropa.
The Binili and Paul. Italian classic.
AR-15.
Aray. Okay. Okay. Much obliged. Meron pa dun sa dulo, sa may baba.
You do that.
Oh god.
Lagi may anal boomer.
Ako nga, kalahati naririnig ko eh. Di pa.
Fuck! Content. Content. We do this for content. Guess what I did? I beat a tank on my own, bruh. Bruh. I'm coming. Oh, bigat. Ay, may ano, charger.
Buhay na. Aray.
Ay, bawilin niyo yung maano sa likod ko. Ayong bumahid, baka matama ko yung ano.
Yan mo na.
Ay, tank. Ah, shit. Mag-heal muna ako. Diyan yung tank. Diyan si tank. Ay, gagi. Sige. Talaga, what the fucking bitch. Oh shit, he's gonna go for me. Yeah, go. I gotta deal with him. I'll deal with his ass. Maybe we can kill him before we do. Alright, he died. Nice.
Mabalik ako mamaya.
Hell yeah. And that's it for now. That's part 1. Thank you for watching.